How you doing? It's Jeff from RV Diagnostics. We're going to do a heater core flush today. Doesn't matter if it's on an RV or a car, we're going to back flush it. So there's a couple things to do. One, this is a nice tool right here. Turn it around. Okay, not only does it take water and from a hose, it also takes air. So a lot of your diesels, you can do that. Boom, 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 boom. What you first have to find out is on the heater core, which hose is the output, because you want to back flush it that way. So this one happens to be how you do that. You start it up, you take off one hose, just one. All right, here we go. I'll reach in here and I hit the horn a couple times for you. See how it's coming out of that hose? Well, if it was coming out of where it come off of right here, then it would be the other hose I hooked this tool into. This tool gets hooked into this hose here. All right, so I'm gonna shut it off, put you on pause. All right, we're back here. We got the air hookup, the water. See how it's pulsating coming out? That's gonna clean that heater core out for us to get us better heat back. All right, folks, that's just back flushing. You have to find out which direction the water's flowing. All right, you can do this on heater cores, basically. You can also do it on evaporators, but you don't use water. You use AC flush fluid. But anyway, thanks very much, Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Just doing a quick video of back flushing. I'll put a link to the tool. I am starting my new tool list up. Yeah, remember, I make a couple pennies off it if you buy it off of the Amazon, whatever it's called, associate program. If not, just buy one, or just hook up a water hose and back flush it. That'll help, but the air part really helps. All right, thank you. This is Jeff. What? Wait a minute. What is it? You're right. Test, not guess. What's the other saying? Safe travels. Well, your campfires burn bright till we meet again. Whether it's on the road, whether it's on a YouTube channel, whether it's at a filling station getting gas or diesel, at a campground, or my Facebook page, RV Diagnostics Troubleshooting, or the email jeff@rvdiagnostics, or my famous website where I do one-on-one with you, www.rvdiagnostics.com. That's at $118 a year. That's $9.30 a month you get me for. No, you can't buy monthly. I'm on $118. If you own an RV, you know what $118 is. It ain't nothing. All right, thank you very much. I'm out of here.